Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you're working with vision boards and they're taking you too long and you want to do multiple ones and you just don't know how to get around it when you're working and you're taking care of the kids and cleaning the house, listen, I got the solution for you. Today we're going to talk about alternatives to a vision board that basically you can do within a couple of minutes. Now listen, I want you to watch this video all the way to the end because you guys know I love to throw in some extra tips to help you along. But if you're new to this channel, this is a metaphysical law of attraction channel that focuses on manifestation techniques, whether we're talking about bay leaves, affirmations, scripting, whatever. Everything is right here. The only thing I'm asking for you to do is to like, subscribe, and just keep watching the videos. I'm back, everyone. Like, wow, this is exciting. Many people are making vision boards and they're like, oh my God, Yvette, I did it on a little piece of paper. It looks a little tacky. Oh, Yvette, I did a vision board, but it doesn't look like yours. Oh my God, you put so much in it. Listen, I've been there. I love vision boards. And if you notice, I have them all around my house. Now, sometimes you just don't have the time to create a new one. Sometimes you had them for a couple of years and you pull things off of them and then you got the marks or whatever and it just does not look right. But you don't have time to create a new one. So now, what am I telling you to do? Now, one of the alternatives that you can use instead of a vision board, and listen, that's a photo album, you guys. Listen, this is powerful and I want you to stay with me because this actually works. How would I tell you to do this? The main thing is I like colored pictures. And with today's age, you don't have to go no further than Google, okay? What I usually do, I usually snap pictures of things that I want. That's the closest to what I want. So if it's a house, I go and get pictures that resemble what I want. Now, if it's a car, I'll get a picture of that car. You can actually take your phone and snap a picture of the car that you want, the house that you want, whatever it is. If it's a promotion, take a picture of someone just being happy about getting a promotion. It could be on the internet. So now the next thing I would do, I would go to Walgreens or a place that prints out pictures and I would print them out. It's up to you about the size. It could be a 2x2, it could be a 4x4, 5x7, whatever. And you're going to start making yourself your own vision photo album or manifestation photo album, okay? Now, why does this work? It's because once you put the pictures in there, every night or every morning, while you're visualizing whatever it is that you want, or saying a prayer about whatever it is that you desire, you can look through the book and say a story like, thank you, God, for blessing me with my new house. Looking at the pictures of the house, okay, you guys? You can then go to the next picture and say, thank you, God, for blessing me with my new car, okay? I have it. It's a red Range Rover with the black top and the silver rims. You can do that. The next thing you can do, you can mention all different things that you want. If you want to get married, have a picture of someone with a ring on their finger and you place it in the photo album. Now, this is so simple because while you're in the bed, you can look at all these pictures and say, thank you, God. Thank you, God, for blessing me. You can even place it under your pillow to help your subconscious mind figure out how to bring this into your life so that it could be programmed to say, this is what she wants. This is what she's focusing on. And this is how I'm going to do it. This is amazing, you guys. I've placed pictures in photo albums before. And let me tell you, all of it manifested, okay? Now, again, it has to be something you really want. Just don't go get pictures and say, I want a Lamborghini, I want a Mercedes, I want 5 houses. No, don't do that. Pick something that you truly want. The same way you're manifesting when you do visualization or affirmations, do the same thing, but place the pictures in the photo album. Now listen, the pictures do not have to be arranged a certain way. You can actually place one picture on per page, okay? You could put 2 pictures on every page, whatever it is you want to do. Me personally, I save 1 picture or 2 pictures for the same thing on a page, okay? Then I might turn to the next page, and on that page, I might have 1 or 2 pictures of that item that I want, okay? And so forth and so forth. Most of my vision boards that I have are actually pictures that I took and I actually printed them out at the Walgreens, okay? Now, again, the pictures were like 40 cents, and if you get a discount, it's even less, okay? Photo albums is the same. You're dedicating a photo album for your manifestation, and it is just that simple. Now, you're probably saying, Yvette, what else can I do besides doing a photo album? And listen, a photo album, once you have the pictures, will take you no more than 5 minutes to put them in there, okay? It is just that simple. And when you go to remove them, it's not damaging the vision board, okay? You could just move them, say manifest it, and put another picture there for something else that you desire. So that one photo album can go on and on and on. Now, I will tell you about the photo album. If you're going to use the photo album technique, I would say go to the store and get yourself a nice photo album. I'm not saying spend $40 or $50. You can go to the dollar store, you can go to Five and Below, whatever it is you like to go, and get a cute little photo album that represents manifestation. Now, just as a tip for you guys, I want to give you guys another way of manifesting not using a vision board, and that is placing a vision board on your phone. Now, this is something that is totally easy to do, you guys, and I've been doing it for years. What it is, you're going to use something like that makes a collage. Like one of the collage things I use is Pick Collage, okay? Pick Collage. And you're going to take that and you're going to get pictures again, pictures that represent what it is that you desire. And you're going to make a collage out of it. You might use 6 pictures, 5 pictures, and you're going to make a collage. Then you're going to save it and use that picture as your screensaver, okay? So when you pick up your phone, the first thing you're going to see is a picture of whatever it is that you desire, okay? You already see I have my picture on my phone. It is not a collage, but it is a picture of what I desire. Again, your phone can actually be a replica of your photo album. Ha-ha! So not only do you have it at the home, but you can have the pictures on your phone. Now, a lot of people are saying, well, Yvette, do this really work? You have to remember, whatever it is you're paying attention to, whatever it is you're constantly looking at, is what's going to manifest in your life. So you have to play the game and be a creator and make the life that you desire. Remember, the universe works with you, through you, and you're giving it the information of what it is that you desire. Again, the secret to all of this is taking action. So if you want that job, you want to start that business, you must take action. And that's the main thing I want to tell you guys for today. So again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the bell. But again, most of all, just keep watching the videos. And namaste.